Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max guys generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you guys need to see where the brake light switch is located, also known as top light switch, how to remove it, how to replace it, all that will be covered in this video today. So make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Let's go ahead, explain where that brake light switch is located. We have a special video that explains if your brake lights do not work on Ford C-Max, the top reasons for that. We're going to cover everything that can make your brake lights not to work guys. So if we come right here to the pedals, okay, let me get in here. I'm going to move the seat, okay? I need to move the seat so I have all the room I can get, so I can show you with a great detail. So looking at it now right here guys, this is your brake paddle, right? You can see brake paddle right here, and if you follow that brake paddle guys, okay, now that's known as a brake light switch and cruise control switch. We're talking about that device, okay, right there. That's okay what's causing guys. You turn it clockwise, you pull it out, and now if you need to disconnect it, all you have to do, okay, just press right here on the back side. But I need to actually position the camera, okay, where you can see, and I need to grab it with 2 hands. Why? Because I don't want to, okay, break the wires. It's very short wire by the way, so give me just a second. Let me see if I can press that tooth right here. Okay, if you press that tooth here with a screwdriver or something, it will come out easier. And this is guys the brake light switch for any of you that need to remove or replace it, also known as the cruise control switch. That's what controls your cruise control. That's right here. If you need to buy a new one for a good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.